Is western into town, less snow. Right. Eastern into town.
Just a few days after Dolphin victory. Storm coming in tomorrow. No in-service tomorrow. This is what it looks like on Thursday, about 4:15. Got everything shoveled, swept, path clear, but that will change, I suppose, tomorrow.
Traveling will not be very good tomorrow, and just keep an eye on these watches right now, or these alerts rather, because again, this does include the threat for the wind tomorrow night. Because what we're about to show you, these counties over here, Pierre, further to the west, not going to deal with
that do make them feel pleasant.
Friday, January 14th, 49 years ago, the undefeated Dolphins capped their perfect season. Still coming down here early morning, supposed to continue. Plows have been out.
With that, hunger and fullness cues can absolutely be felt, and I think sometimes with food freedom, people think that means saying yes to all the food, but it's learning how to also respect our body and say no.
1:44, Friday afternoon, still falling. Former site of Cook School on this Friday, January 14th, 2022. Plows have been out in Millbank. Supposed to warm up maybe Sunday, maybe into 30-degree temps, I hope. Lots of snow here at the Millbank High School, Middle School. At 5:07, 49 years since the Dolphins capped the undefeated season. I'm going to watch a little bit of that tonight. Last night of Bills being open, I believe. So I'm going to head up there right now, drive by, see if they're still seeing some customers going in and out. Snowy day in Millbank. Headed to the west, and now to the north. Hartman Foods. Yes, I'm a little fascinated by... Ooh. Looks closed. I'm fascinated by places that are... And that looks... like it's done. Oh, I was hoping to get in there one last time, but in by Pop on the north side. Just gonna take it around this side here and see if there's anything that looks like it's open or not. And it's looking pretty empty. I'm not sure if it's going to open again or tomorrow. I guess we'll see. You're looking at one big snow hill right there. Friday, January the 14th. American Underdog showing in the Millbank Theater there. Main Street. 2022. Christian Carl's.